Welcome to Easy Inlay from Woodline USA. Wooden inlays have been used for many years to provide both decorative and functional inlays in all types of wooden projects. But first, safety. Remember, wear safety glasses and hearing protection anytime you're in the shop. Remember, safety first. The Woodline Inlay Kit features a 2-flute solid carbide 1/8" down spiral router bit and a special brass bushing that has a little collar that can be put on the bushing to make the inlays. When the collar is installed, you're ready to make the female portion. With the little collar removed, you make the male portion, like the center. And of course, they're going to fit together perfectly. We're going to use a template, and for this project, we're going to use a small oval template. The brass bushing should be secured to your router, and it'll fit almost any router. Make sure your bit is centered, and we recommend a plunge router. Set the height of the bit by first putting the template on and then setting the amount the bit extends beyond the template to about 1/8 inch. Now we're ready to put our template on our wood. We've already affixed our heavy-duty double stick tape to the template, and we're just going to peel it off and put it down on our project. In this case, we're going to cover up a knot hole in this beautiful piece of cherry. We're going to center the template over the knot hole and press firmly to secure it into place. Now we're going to put the collar on for the female cut. Place it over the template, turn it on, and remember, be gentle. These small router bits can be very fragile, so cut with a smooth, gentle motion back and forth, overlapping just a little bit, working from the inside to the outside until you've cut the entire area. Press gently against the edge of the template as you go all the way around, and be sure to route out the entire center. Here we have a perfect pocket for an inlay. We're ready to cut the male part. Here we're going to use a lighter piece of wood, and we take the collar off to make the male part. Set it to one side where you won't lose it. We've already got our template stuck down, and we've set our height about 1/16 inch deeper to allow for the saw kerf when we part off the piece. Push the router to the outside edge. For the male portion, you must always hold it firmly against the outside edge of the template and try to cut the entire part in a single pass around the template. Turn your router on, plunge carefully, holding it against the outside edge of the template. Work all the way around. Always work in a clockwise motion. When cutting the male portion, cutting clockwise will help reduce tear out. Now here we go. We're going to take this piece downstairs to our shop and part it off using a table saw. We've done that. We've cut off the oval piece, and it's a pretty close fit. But we may have to do some light sanding or some small touch-up just to make sure that it is a perfect fit. You do not want to get it stuck when you're test fitting it, so you can use a piece of the backing paper from the double stick tape or a piece of string or something to help you pull it back out of the inlay. When you get that perfect fit, you're ready to go. Looks like we've got it. Now you would put some glue in the hole. White glue works well, or whatever is compatible with your project, and tap it into place. You may want to put a board over it if it's a delicate inlay. We're going to sand it flush, or you can leave it proud for an intarsia-like effect. You can even sculpt the edges of an inlay. And here we go. We've got a perfect fitting inlay. Sometimes these were called a Dutchman. Woodline carries a variety of templates, and you can visit our website for additional tools and tips, or you can always give us a call, 800-472-6950.